Hello there. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you all about Harpa AI. How to use it, what is its features, how it works. This is gonna be our topic for today. So that being said, before I get started, this is applicable for both Windows and iOS. May it be a MacBook, a desktop, a PC, even Android is welcome in this one. So that being said, let's get started. This is gonna be the landing page, and this is the link. Make sure you click harpa.ai, and this should be the landing page you're also seeing on your end. So let's get started. I'm gonna tell you first what is Harpa AI and how it works. So that being said, Harpa AI is a best-in-class AI assistant. This is the image for Harpa AI. Basically, it's a woman with a sci-fi style right there. Anyway, Harpa can summarize and reply to all emails for you. Rewrite, rephrase, correct and expand text, read articles, translate, and scan web pages for data. So imagine Harpa AI being an assistant, being the best assistant for you while you're working. May it be an executive virtual assistant or a virtual assistant, that is the exact definition of Harpa AI. So let's move further. These are the uses of Harpa AI. It has YouTube Summarizer. It has 100+ web over commands, a writer that mimics your style, write long articles, dive the web, chat with PDF and websites, spy on competitors, put SEO or SEO on the overdrive, track price drops, turn websites to APIs, and API or rather AI personas. So you have my assistant right there. This is a default. You have the SEO, the psychologist, trip planner, tutor, chef, write coach, and this is an option where you can add another persona. So this is what I like about Harpa, because I am a Midjourney user. Imagine having an exact photo that you want to copy and generate on Midjourney. Harpa AI can help you generate that prompt to use on Midjourney to get that specific photo or image you want. That's perfectly good, right? Now, lastly, automate your work. Build AI-powered web automations that can navigate websites, extract data, click and type elements, send data to Zapier, and much more. Basically, think of it as an all-around assistant. That is Harpa AI for you guys. So these are the use cases, or rather, the things that you can do on Harpa. One is of course marketing and SEO, copywriting, productivity, HR and recruiting, product development, and spreadsheets. So personally, I use Harpa AI for spreadsheets and marketing and SEO, and trust me when I say it helped me boost my productivity and quality, it did. And that being said, the best part of it, right now, it's perfectly 100% free. You heard it right, an assistant for all time with 100% free payment. Where to look for, right? That's the best deal you can find here. So moving on, I want to show you this specific FAQ. So what is Harpa AI? Harpa AI is a Google Chrome extension. You heard it right, it is not an application, it is not a web application, but rather a Google Chrome extension. So you might be asking, why am I using Harpa AI and I'm currently on Microsoft Edge? Don't worry about it, because it also works for Microsoft Edge. That being said, it also works for Safari. Now, Harpa AI is being powered with the combined powers of ChatGPT, Bard, and Claude AI. I have a video about Claude and Bard and also ChatGPT, please check it out. That being said, personally, I love Claude. This is the best AI for me before. Now, imagine joining the power or combining the power of Claude, Bard, and ChatGPT to create Harpa AI. It's just the new child of evolution, the golden child, we might say, for AI. And then that being said, what is it used for? Harpa automates your copywriting, web surfing, online data extraction, and online web monitoring tasks. It is used to quickly write and reply to emails, post comments and DMs. You got it right, it also can post comments and DMs, summarize and talk to web pages, YouTube videos, PDF comments, extract and research SEO keywords, create SMM content and plans, and Midjourney prompts, the one I mentioned earlier. Automate form filling, write blog articles, review CVs, job offers and legal documents, plan trips, track competitors, prices, and SERP pages, create learning plans such as, or rather search for information online and more. Actually, everything I can think of right now for an assistant to do, Harpa AI does it for you. So I'm not gonna go on this one by one everything here, so you can just check it out by yourself. I just mentioned the best two FAQ for you. Now, as you can see right here, everything I hovered earlier, let me just go back. So every time I hover things on the left side, the right side changes. This is gonna giving you, or rather, it gives you a preview on how it works. For example, in the YouTube Summarizer, it helps you take away hours of long video watching and taking notes. And just to give you the key takeaways, this is how it looks like. Now, if I hover my mouse on the writer that mimics your style, this is how it looks like, the UI. So for example, you want to mimic your style in writing, simply paste the command, simply commit the content, and Harpa AI is going to give you another style of writing, which you can proofread, you can send it to Originality AI, and 100% sure it has that 100% credibility. So enough with the introduction here, let's get started. How to install this one? Basically, you just need to click Get Free Plugin, or you can just hover your mouse on the Edge browser, it's basically the same. So I'm gonna click on Get Free Plugin, and I'm gonna be redirected on this page, which is a Google Chrome extension page. And as you can see right now, I already have this AI installed on my extension, so I don't have to install it right now. So if you see here Get, or rather Install or Use, or rather Buy, please make sure you click Install it. It will only take a minute or two to finish installing. So that being said, I'm gonna search for a specific website, or rather a random website, to use it properly. So before, I think I have this 10 best basketball shoes for big men. I'm just searching for a random article right there for you guys to see how Harpa AI works. So this is gonna be my landing page. So the hoopsgeek.com, this is the link. The top 10 best basketball shoes for centers. Now, basically, I don't want to read everything. It's too long. I don't want to take much time. Basically, I want my assistant to help me. That's where Harpa AI comes in. For Windows, the key for here is Alt-A. And then for Mac, it's going to be Control-A. So as you can see, if the prompt is right here, it has this commands for default. For short summary, it's going to be /summary. For a long summary, click this one, and chat with the page itself, click this one. So Harpa AI is saying that ask me anything or pick a question, and then I can read page, PDF, etc. Let's try this one, short summary. Now while waiting for it to prompt, I just want to let you know that before you can use Harpa AI, make sure you log into ChatGPT, you log into Claude, and of course you log into Bard before you can use it properly right here. Now that being said, this is the short summary of this entire page. Pretty helpful, right? So after giving the short summary, you can have option right here, the expand, shorten, simplify, or clarify. Let's try shorten a little bit more to make it more brief and precise. Let's see how it works. So as you can see, this is the one earlier, and this is what I have right now. I can still shorten it, but I'm gonna stick with it right now. So for example, I want to ask some questions. Simply use the command / and ask. Click on answer, and then Harpa AI will ask you, I'm sorry, but your request may change, the summary is not clear. Could you please provide specific instructions on what changes you would like to see in the summary? So as you can see, it did not recognize my command because we're still on the summary page. So to get out of summary command, I just want to click on the specific commands right here and make sure I want to use the ask question. What is the best basketball shoe here for centers? Let's see if it works. So the best basketball for center player typically depends on a personal preference, and that being said, it answered my question on this specific pages. So let's just go back right there. How about we type in summary again, or rather let's choose a different one. So it has this reply, rewrite, compose, ask. Let's try this one, the ask. And then, sure, what do you want to know? For example, what are the key takeaways for this specific page? Let's ask that one. Let's just use the command right there. I want to show you guys how it works. So, the key takeaway from the basketball open page contents are: finding the right basketball shoes for big men, especially for centers, can be challenging as the NBA game has shifted towards smaller and more versatile players. Now this is the takeaway, 7 takeaways to be exact on this entire page. Imagine that, saving the time to read, the energy to read, even the eye strain, the electricity costs, saving all of them to have this takeaway. Now basically I can use a different command again. Let's try slash, and then let's try a different one, okay? For example, on this one I can use translate, prompt generator, SEO audit. For all of you SEO freelancers out there, this is for you. Let's try this one, keyword report. Your keyword is gonna be shoes. Let's try it out. And then Harpa will give me the exact keyword search of this website that has used shoes. And this would be it. And actually the best thing about it, you can copy it and paste it on Excel. You can also click on refine and choose more data. Let's try refine right there. What change you would like to make? Make it more brief. Actually guys, personally I am enjoying this right now. So I don't have the moment, or rather I don't want to spend my energy doing this one. And then once I'm done, click on done right there. And then another command prompt for you guys. As simple as that. For example, you're at loss, you want to get help, simply click on help right there. And these are the guidelines. These are the things you can use on Harpa, on how to use it. Basically, again, just want to highlight, for Windows, it's going to be the command is Alt-A. And for Mac, it's going to be Control-A. That being said, click on done right there. And that's how to do it. That's how we use Harpa AI. Basically, it's a very good assistant AI for you guys. And personally, trust me guys, it will help you a lot. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.